In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix laptop HDMI not working in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, HDMI connection issues on Windows 11 are often tied to a handshake failure between the new graphics driver and the external display. So if you recently installed an update, this is a known bug. If your laptop is on a TV or monitor which says no signal, force Windows to rescan for display hardware without restarting. So ensure that HDMI cable is plugged in firmly. Then what you got to do is press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B all at once. The screen is then going to flicker and you're going to hear a beep. This restarts the graphics driver stack. Then press Windows key and P and select Extend. So what you got to do is you're going to be on this screen and make sure it's on Extend. And to ensure the projection mode hasn't been reset to PC screen only. And HDMI ports can occasionally build up static or get stuck in a sleep state. So a cold boot of both devices can clear this. So turn off both the laptop and monitor or TV, unplug the HDMI cable from both ends, unplug the power cord from the monitor or TV from the wall, and wait 60 seconds. Then plug everything back in, then turn the TV on first, set it to the correct HDMI input, then turn on the laptop, and that should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.